What's up everyone, it's Sadie Pa, and let me tell you, the side hustle game is strong in 2025. We've got more ways than ever to make money online straight from our phones. Forget the 9-to-5 grind, we're talking about apps that can bring in an extra $100 per day, or even become your full-time gig. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 7 money-making apps that are absolutely crushing it this year. We're talking passive income streams, high-paying gigs, and even building your own online empire, all from the palm of your hand. Stick around until the end, because I've saved the app with the absolute highest earning potential for last. And hey, before we dive in, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of these money-making strategies. First up, we've got Swagbucks, the OG of making money online without breaking a sweat. Seriously, this app pays you for doing things you're probably already doing online. We're talking watching videos, taking surveys, playing games, even just browsing the web. You earn points called Swagbucks or SB for short, and then you can cash those bad boys out for cold, hard PayPal cash or gift cards to all the best places. Amazon, Walmart, Starbucks, you name it. Now I'm not gonna lie, Swagbucks isn't gonna make you rich overnight, but think about it. Even if you're just using the app during your downtime, like on your commute or waiting for that friend who's always late, some users are pulling in an extra $5 to $20 per day. That's like an extra $600 a month just for watching some funny cat videos. And here's a pro tip from yours truly. If you really want to maximize your Swagbucks earnings, focus on those high-paying surveys and cashback offers. They're like the hidden gems of the Swagbucks world. Alright guys, if you've got skills, and I know you do, Fiverr is your ticket to turning those talents into a stream of sweet, sweet cash. This app is like the world's biggest online marketplace for freelance services. We're talking graphic design, video editing, writing, voiceovers, social media management, you name it, someone's probably looking for it on Fiverr. And the best part, some top Fiverr freelancers are making bank, like over $10,000 per month, just by selling their skills online. And the beauty of Fiverr is that you don't need to be a coding wizard or a Photoshop guru to get started. Even if you've got basic skills like data entry, proofreading, or even just removing backgrounds from images, there's a market for that on Fiverr. The key is to find a service that solves a specific problem for people. Trust me, there are people out there who are willing to pay good money to have someone else take care of those tasks for them. One hot tip short-form video editing is blowing up right now. Businesses are desperate for high-quality content for their TikTok and YouTube shorts. So if you can edit, you can name your price. Just remember, on Fiverr, speed is key. Clients love fast delivery and top-notch customer service, so make sure you're delivering the goods and exceeding expectations. Okay, so maybe the online world isn't really your thing. Maybe you prefer good old-fashioned hands-on work. Well, guess what? You can make bank with that too, thanks to TaskRabbit. This app is all about connecting people who need help with everyday tasks with people like you who are willing to do those tasks for a price. We're talking moving furniture, assembling IKEA furniture, we've all been there, right? Running errands, even waiting in line for someone. Seriously, no task is too small. TaskRabbit is perfect if you thrive on flexibility and like the idea of setting your own hours. And the earning potential is no joke. In big cities where demand is high, some TaskRabbits are pulling in $2,000 or more per month. Getting started is super easy. Just download the app, create a profile, list your skills, and boom, you're in business. Once you're approved, you'll start getting notifications whenever someone near you needs a helping hand. And here's the best part. The more jobs you complete, the more positive reviews you'll get, and that means more high-paying gigs coming your way. Oh, and one more pro tip. If you're a whiz with tools, furniture assembly is where the real money's at. People are always willing to pay a premium to avoid the headache of putting together that flat-pack furniture. Chapter 4. Alright, let's talk passive income, the holy grail of making money while you sleep. And when it comes to passive income, Airbnb is the undisputed king. If you've got a spare room, a guest house, or even a whole vacation property just sitting there collecting dust, you could be sitting on a gold mine. Airbnb lets you rent out your space to travelers from all over the world, and the best part is, you set the price. We're talking serious cash here, people. Many Airbnb hosts are making anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000 per month, renting out just one spare room. And if you're in a prime tourist spot, those numbers could be even higher. Now here's the really cool part. You don't even need to own a property to get in on the Airbnb action. There's a strategy called rental arbitrage, where you rent a property from a landlord and then list it on Airbnb for a higher price. With their permission, of course. It's like being a real estate mogul without the massive down payment. The key to Airbnb's success is all about creating a killer listing. High-quality photos are a must, and you want your description to be super enticing. And hey, a little extra effort goes a long way. Think about offering some perks like free snacks, Netflix access, or blazing fast Wi-Fi. Those little touches can make all the difference when it comes to getting those 5-star reviews and repeat bookings. And don't worry, Airbnb's got your back with host protection insurance, so you're covered in case anything goes wrong. Chapter 5: Upwork, land high-paying clients and build a steady income. Upwork is like the sophisticated older sibling of Fiverr. It's another freelancing platform, but this one's all about attracting those high-paying clients and building a long-term, sustainable income stream. If you're a writer, developer, marketer, consultant, or basically any kind of professional with skills to offer, Upwork is where the big dogs play. Unlike Fiverr, where clients come to you, Upwork is all about putting yourself out there. You'll need to craft compelling proposals and really sell your skills to potential clients. That means having a top-notch profile that showcases your experience and a portfolio that makes you shine. Don't worry if you're just starting out. Look for smaller jobs with good reviews to build up your reputation. Those early wins will help you attract bigger and better clients down the line. And the earning potential on Upwork is huge. We're talking some freelancers making 6 figures a year. Even beginners can start out charging $15 to $50 per hour depending on their skills and experience. If you're looking to hit the ground running, I'd recommend focusing on in-demand skills like SEO writing, video editing, or website development. Those are the areas where clients are practically begging for talented freelancers. Chapter 6: YouTube, become a content king or queen. Alright guys, let's talk about the big leagues, the platform where dreams are made and fortunes are built. YouTube. With over 2 billion monthly users, YouTube is a content creator's paradise. And the best part is, there are so many ways to win on this platform. We're talking ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, merchandise sales, the list goes on. And the best part, you don't even need to show your face if you don't want to. Many successful YouTubers are using automation to create engaging content without ever stepping in front of a camera. Think AI-generated voiceovers, stock footage, and some clever editing. The key is to create high-quality content that people actually want to watch. Focus on evergreen topics like finance, tech reviews, fitness, or anything else that people are searching for day in and day out. Once you hit that magic number of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can monetize your channel and start raking in that sweet, sweet ad revenue. And trust me, the sky's the limit when it comes to YouTube earnings. We're talking some YouTubers making $500 to $10,000 per month or more, depending on their niche and how many views they're pulling in. Chapter 7: Amazon FBA, from side hustle to six-figure business. And last but not least, we've saved the best for last: Amazon FBA, the ultimate side hustle that can turn into a full-blown six-figure empire. FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon, and it's a game changer for anyone who wants to sell products online without the hassle of dealing with inventory, shipping, or customer service. Amazon literally does it all for you. The process is surprisingly simple. First, you find a product that's in high demand but low competition. There are tools like Helium 10 and Jungle Scout that can help you with this. Then, you order your inventory from suppliers, usually from Alibaba or local wholesalers. Next, you ship your products to an Amazon fulfillment center, and that's it. Amazon takes care of the rest, from storing your products to shipping them out to customers. The best part is, you can start small. Many successful Amazon FBA sellers started with just $500 to $1,000 in inventory and scaled their businesses from there. While it's true that competition on Amazon is fierce, finding a unique or niche product can give you a serious edge. Think about products that solve a specific problem or cater to a passionate audience. With the right product and a solid strategy, Amazon FBA can be your ticket to financial freedom. Outrow. Start building your online empire today. There you have it, folks. 7 incredibly powerful apps that can help you finally achieve your financial goals. Whether you're looking for a little extra cash to cover those monthly bills, or you're ready to ditch your 9-to-5 and become your own boss, these apps offer incredible opportunities for anyone willing to put in the work. So, which app are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more money-making tips and tricks, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.